SafeBooth offers a fully automated human body sanitation solution. It was initialized with a mission to protect us from the COVID-19 corona strain or any future biowarfare situation. Created with extensive research, latest technology, and meticulous engineering acumen, SafeBooth is equipped with high-pressure disinfectant mist nozzle system, automated soap hand wash, thermal and UV light protected oximeter readers, mask detector, luggage disinfector, location tracking system, and many more such cutting-edge modules. The design employs a foolproofing system to ensure every person undergoes a proper process of disinfection upon entry and exit at the location. Person scans the QR code using the SAFE app to initiate the disinfection process. Automated body temperature, oxygen levels and face mask are scanned to decide whether to allow a person to enter the place. Once inside, they step in for an automated 20-second routine to soap wash, dry and sanitize their hands thoroughly, as is recommended by the WHO. Simultaneously, high-pressure mist nozzles work on disinfecting a user's clothes and skin. The disinfectant is CDSCO, ICMR certified, 99.99% effective and 0% toxic to inhale, gulp down or even come in contact with eyes and skin. Two dedicated nozzles work on disinfecting the carry-on luggage. Audio and displayed instructions, soothing music, bright interiors, and organic face wipes help the person stay calm and feel fresh after the process. Upon exit, location tracking on the user's phone is enabled until their stay at the venue. This assists in generation of post-process contact tracing information as required by government or corporate agencies. The automated sanitation process is supported by a completely modular and non-corrosive booth designed as per ISI, BIS and CE standards. A well-equipped tank, usage LED indicators, self-contained drainage, elevated staircase with easy wheelchair access, and a quick-to-assemble design all add to well-engineered functionalities of the SafeBooth. Two advertisement e-display facilities provide complete return on your investment. SafeBooth is available in different variants as per user's desired functionalities and budget considerations. Our smart asepsis fencing solution represents a world-class culmination of various technology disciplines to offer you security and peace of mind at any place it is installed. This product is brought to you by Captronics Private Limited and SyncThreads Computing LLP, a complete Make in India initiative. Join us to give humanity a safe place to live. Let strength be with us all.